Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This four-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.